Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, if you take a look at this moment, I told you all that the Swiss franc JPY would most likely going to give us a pullback to retest this level. I mean, if you had to zoom it out, this was our previous resistance and support and resistance level. Markets once ranged within this level, especially when you go to a daily time frame. You can clearly see it here, right? Markets once ranged within this level. So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not yet done that, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button now, like this video, share, and also make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel. I will put the link in the comment section. Now the market has eventually pushed up, which broke out of our resistance level. The market has now pulled back to retest our resistance level. So our next movement on Swiss franc JPY should be a bullish move. So we should be expecting it to actually push up back to a level of 195. Currently, Swiss franc JPY is trading at a level of 194. So we are expecting it to pull back up to a level of 195. So it will look something like this: an high, then an higher low. Here comes the higher high, then here an higher low, then an higher high. This should be seen as an higher low. Then you can see that here is an higher high, right? Higher high. This is an higher low. This is an higher low, which markets eventually came to retest the resistance level. Now we'll be expecting market to actually push up again and give a new higher high. So our next movement on Swiss franc JPY will be a bullish move. So if you are yet to subscribe, do well to click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.